I'm going to show you how you can use Marriott Bonvoy points. First off, from the main actual page here, I'm just going to pick on a destination. For example, I'm just going to pick New York. Now on New York, you can see you can tap on use points slash rewards as an option here, right? Now just make sure to tap on that to use the points slash awards. Now when I tap on find hotels here, let's just wait for this to load. Once it's actually loaded, you can see this is what it will look like. Now we're going to use our points to actually get a free stay or a free night, right? So we're gonna pay for nothing except our points to actually stay at the hotel. And you can see this is what it will look like. You can see it costs around 58,000 points for a stay or 151 USD for the night, right? You can see this is what it will look like. Tap on view rates here to actually use the points to actually go to the hotel page here so you can book it. Let's just wait for it to load yet again. Once that's done, you can see this is what it looks like. We can spend around 58,000 points for the stay. You guys have to tap on select like this and then just sign in with your account and then that's it. You'll be done.